Hey guys, Jaisa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing great, and if you're new to my channel and if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is actually a very casual video. So I was doing this makeup look for Instagram. So I had makeup on, so I thought I would just sit down and show you guys some new skincare products in my stash. So it's actually a video that's like all over the place, but I wanted to show you guys these things. So I got a few products a few months back. To be precise, 3 months back. So it's going to be a 3-month-old haul, and products I'm going to show you guys are mostly skincare products. So, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a few products that I received from PIXI recently. And yeah, let's get into the video. So I bought a bunch of skincare products from the website called Iherb. I've actually purchased from them before as well, like a few years back, and it's been a while and I wanted to get some skincare products, and I ordered from them. It was actually in Feb. It was actually before all the COVID thing got really serious. So the delivery was pretty quick. I got the products delivered within like a week, I guess. Yeah, but I'm really clueless about the delivery situation right now. I don't know. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, which I got from Iherb, is actually a product that is like highly raved. There are so many amazing reviews about this product, and I don't know why I haven't got this before. I had a plan of getting this product for such a long time, but somehow I never bought it. So it is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and oh my god, so many amazing reviews about this one. So this is like a clay based mask. So it's the world's most powerful facial. That's what's written on the box. Deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So clay masks are really good for like pore cleansing and stuff. So the reason I got this mainly was because I was getting a lot of clogged pores and I wanted something like, you know, to deep clean the pores. So that's the reason I got it. I tried it on my husband and he loved it. So Zuhair has like oily skin and he loved it. He was like, it just made his skin feel very revitalized and stuff and really fresh. So he was like, oh my god, this is so good, you know. He loved it. I used it once and I also enjoyed it because I did feel that, you know, it was like cleansing my skin really well. And the way you use it is actually you mix it with apple cider vinegar. That's how you actually use it. So I mixed it with like raw organic apple cider vinegar, and yeah, it was good. I actually forgot that I had this. That's the reason I haven't used it in such a long time. I used it like 3 months back. The next product I'm going to show you guys is something that I've been using a lot and I absolutely love it. So it is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. So as you guys can see, I've almost gone through this much, and this product is really good. It's such a great cleansing oil. I've been using it a lot and I really love it. It's a very lightweight cleansing oil. So this is what I use to remove my makeup. It's very lightweight in texture, so it's very easy to like, you know, work with, and it does dissolve all of your makeup and just helps remove everything. So yeah, it's really good, but it does have like a fragrance to it. So if you are like sensitive to fragrance, you have to stay away from it. I'm not sensitive to fragrance, so it's okay for me. And plus it's a product that I'm like washing off. So this is supposedly a brightening cleansing oil for oily to combinations. It's okay, it works for me. And this is also formulated without mineral oils. The next product is something I haven't used yet, but it's actually from the Korean brand Cosrx, and it is their low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. So sometimes when your cleanser is like really harsh, it can kind of like leave your skin feel very like stripped of moisture, and like when you finish cleansing it, your skin can feel like really tight and stuff. So I wanted something that is like really gentle, especially for the morning time. I just want something to like remove the products that I put like from the night before. So it's formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. Exactly what I want. So I haven't started using it yet because I wanted to like go through some products which I have right now. So once I'm done with that, then I will start using it. So the next product is also a Korean product, and it is from the brand Pyongyang. It's actually an essence toner. It's a very hydrating toner. That's the reason I got it. I wanted a toner that would like, you know, kind of like add a dose of hydration, and this one is actually formulated with astragalus membranaceous root astrag. I don't know if I'm like saying the brand's name correct. Is it like called Pyongyang? I don't know. I'm just trying to say it. I don't know if it's the right thing to say. I've tried it like a couple of times and I do like it. So it just leaves my skin really hydrated. So next I have another cleansing balm, but I haven't used it yet. It is also from a Korean brand. So it is from the brand Hemish, and it is their all clean balm. So this is a cleansing balm. I wanted to use it for like removing my makeup, double cleansing, etc. And yeah, this is the one. I have not started using it. Actually, I have heard like good reviews about it. So this is the Hemish all clean balm. So it also comes with like a spatula. So yeah, it's a fairly decent sized tub. It smells very herbal. So this is also a Korean brand. I've not started using it, but I think I'll start it pretty soon. So I think I'm gonna like toggle between these two. So the next product is something I have used so much, and it is a lip balm, and this is from the brand Carmex. It's their classic lip balm, and oh my god, this is really good, and it is so inexpensive. It was so inexpensive. Like, my heart was full. I was so happy. Okay, so this one is their classic lip balm, and it is actually a medicated lip balm. It also is like an analgesic, so if you have like really dry, cracked lips and it's like hurting you, it might kind of like numb your lips a bit. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool. So it has that tingling sensation. I've used it so much and I really loved it. One of the best lip balms I've used. So the last product I have is actually a makeup product. So it's a primer, and it's the only makeup product I have in this video. So this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's a very popular primer. It's a pore filling primer, so I wanted to try it out. It has really good reviews. So the first time I actually tried it out, I was trying it out with this foundation. It was the EX1 Invisiwear liquid foundation, and I was trying both of these for the first time, and it was so bad. Like, the foundation just looked so bad. It was like cracking around my mouth, and I just like hated how the base was looking. My base was like terrible. Okay, I was kind of like disappointed. It was like I had high hopes for both of these, and it was just like so disappointing. So I tried this primer out with another foundation that I really like, and it just looked flawless. Like, it just looked so good. So I need to test this out more and see, like, you know, how it's actually performing with other foundations. And the thing is, I've tried this foundation with like 3 different primers, and on all 3 occasions my face was looking so bad. Like, it was cracking up around my mouth. I don't know, I just need to test this foundation as well. Like, but it's got so many good reviews. I don't know, maybe because my skin is like really dry, it was not working that well. I think I'm gonna use it underneath like a hydrating primer. All the primers I tested it out with was like silicone based, so yeah, I think I'll just switch up the primer and see. I had really high hopes for this one. And why am I talking about this foundation? I have no idea. So next I'm going to show you guys the products I got from PIXI, and they send the products in this cute little bag. Like, oh, I love it. I love the fact that they send it in a toiletries bag. This is like a travel toiletries bag. Like, can you guys see? Like, you can just hang it like this. But let's just face it, we are not going anywhere anytime soon. So they have like a personalized card here. So it says like, "Dear Jaisa, time to get your dream skin. Our new retinol and jasmine infused skin treats will take you on a smooth journey to your most beautiful skin. Thank you for your PIXI love." So it's so cool, like, you know, when brands like personalize stuff. So this is their retinol and jasmine collection. So yeah, let me just show you guys what's in here. So first of all, we have here this retinol jasmine cleanser, and this one is a smoothing cleanser with retinol and ceramides. So next we have a toner. This is the retinol tonic, retinol and jasmine flower smoothing toner. And then we have here a jasmine oil blend. So it's like a facial oil with jasmine and evening primrose oil. So this is the oil I have like underneath my skin today. I wore it before like applying my makeup. This is the jasmine oil blend radiance recovery oil. So this one can be used AM and PM. Warm a few drops in your hands and gently press into skin after cleansing and toning before moisturizing. Okay, so next we have a retinol oil. So retinol is great for anti-aging. So this is their overnight retinol oil. So this is with retinol and peptides. So that's the one. Exquisite oil blend helps to improve the appearance of fine lines, pores, and skin plumpness. So it also comes with like a dropper. So yeah, so this can be only used at night because of retinol. Retinol products are meant for nighttime, but this jasmine oil blend does not contain any retinol. That's why you can use it like AM and PM. So vitamin A products or retinol based products can be used only at night. So next we have here a retinol jasmine lotion. So this one is with retinol and peptides. It's a smoothing moisturizer. So that's the one. And also finally we have here an eye cream. This is the retinol eye cream with also retinol and peptides. So this is a smoothing eye cream. So I was using the Clinique Moisture Surge eye cream and it was over, so I was actually going to buy an eye cream. So I'm glad I got it. This is what I will be using from now on for my eyes. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. That's all of my new skincare products. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.